So, how do you reopen closed DMs on Discord Mobile? So to start off, let's open up the Discord application. Now let's head over to our message right here. So for example, this one from Asura. So as you can see, we have been chatting for a bit. And now if we accidentally close the DMs on this person, we could find it immediately by going on the top left and clicking on the magnifying glass. And here we just need to find that person. So as you can see, Asura, just click on it and it would automatically open up the closed DMs. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.